Yeah, man. So one time I deliver one like a place on a Fulton Street. And I want like a building right next to. And you know they rent out like rooms. So like everybody have their room, everybody have their room. But this one guy up there now, he was the only guy up there. And everybody else was like a woman and my man up there. And the boy used to try check off me, but me not pay him no mind. You know what I mean? Because I not look nobody. Even though me poor, me not look nobody. So anyway, you know, so we share the kitchen and bath and so on. You know, because I own the rooms them also. So this boy, you know, him have this girl come check him. And the girl come check him. And in there with the girl, him and the girl they out. Like, almost like right out, mother say. But I know she alone him have. So the girl come check him now and things go on and she spend her time and she gone. When she gone, a next girl come. When she gone, a next one come. One come tonight, one different night, one come tomorrow, one different night, and one different one come. A whole bunch of them. And the boy still a check out for me, you know. I would never put myself for him because I say, look what I do to the woman them. But some of them bitches, me not feel sorry for them. No, me not feel sorry for them. Because some of them too blood clot enough. You can't feel sorry for them. Yeah, man. Me say the boy have them like a fool. Me tell you, up on the top floor, you know. Me say the boy running them left and the boy running them right, you know. Me I say, you see skinny girl, you see fat girl, you see all type of girl. All different shape of girl. Me say the boy, they say, run them with that, you know. Me I tell you, you know. And me I said to myself, look how fool. And then him come try talk to me. I was like, motherfucker, you gotta be out of your mind. Try talk to me. You know me, I poor as me fucking is never. You know me, I say? So him go on like him a sweet boy and thing, like him got shit going. I always a dress up and shit and all and sitting there. Me say the boy can't fool him and then when certain girl come now and they see in the kitchen and in the kitchen and cook now. And then come and glimpse in the kitchen and cook, then come and screw up them blood clot face. I screw up them face, Like say they think say, well, you want the man and then I realize say, well, I rent a room and I let everybody live. You don't want the man in with the man have your one place, you have your own place. But in a for them mind now, them feel you want the man, you know what I mean? You know your kitchen and cook your little food and sitting and him come out, the bitch come along up her face. You know me I say, some of them come then dress half naked and then walk around just to see if them things say like Yanni man not sitting. Yanni man no you know nothing. You don't give a shit about him. You're not hungry for hood. You're not here Miss Hungry hood. No. You're not that, so what the fuck? Then when him done know, another bitch come, and he fuck the whole fuck of them. But the whole point about when I try to say, when some bitch want to get loud, some of them see you, and they might think, say, no, you like the man, or you might want the man a check off. You not pay the man of mine. Where you pay man in the one, if they want him and have him, them could not come there. You understand me? But they not see it that way. Them see it in the way them feel, or probably what him tell them to make them feel like him got shit going, you know, popping. So then get flight, you know, and their head get blood clot light. Yeah, so me not feel sorry for them. Some girl forget fool and some girl forget fuck and run because them stupid. Them fool. And some of them loud and then go on and control and go on at them at the boss like them run things. And some girl are idiot. Man done fuck them and come to them out and run them because them a fool. And that me I say, me see that happen every fucking day of my life. Girl get played like guitar, left to blood clot right and center. And they still not understand themselves. They want to get blood clot loud. You understand? You did a yard and you did a hang out to look, the motherfucker coming a whole string of them. Blood clot coming in. And the boy I fuck all of them. All of them. Slim, fat, purple, all of them. And when they done, them have the biggest mouth. Them have the most education. You understand me? Them know how shit going. No, you don't feel sorry for them. You can't feel sorry for them. And the boy I'm thinking of shit going, you know. When I see him come out in a film clothes and him dress, you know. From head to toe, our film boots shine, you know. Trust me, his clothes are speak the language. And the girl, and he smell sweet and he jump in a little car. And one room, he have my come back up there. And me I tell you, so the girl, I'm a fool. They must skin them teeth. What? Girl, I run back at the hood, they like them a paparazzi. Like a paparazzi to blow out. So, me I try to tell you, say, some girl, them a fool and not no sense. They don't know what them a do. Some man just run them head. Run them like idiot. What's up? What's your problem? What? Come on, what? Come on, what? I'm doing my video. Don't do that, what? What am I doing? What the fuck this guy talking about? Man, leave me alone. Let me do my video, man. Yeah. And some of them lose their house manners. When they come a house and them a fuck and them a yeah, who, ha, ha. And them a just a go through the fucking sheet rack them through the wall. Them a go through the sheet rack them. 1, 2, 3, them just a buck through like a bull a buck through. I try broke down the whole concrete, I broke down everything. Then just I try broke through all the big man besides them. When body take them, just I broke down the wall. Man, them a broke down the whole wall. When body take them, they start broke down the whole wall. All the skinny one, them bend up themselves like lizards. When body take them, they start scream. Yeah, sometimes you have your family over. You have kids around in the house. And the brother come in and carry them in. If you cut a little piece of one, fuck a pianize them and make them a broke down the wall. All the big fat one, them a broke down the bed. Them a broke down the furniture, them a broke down everything. Some of them don't want to work, they got welfare office, go get food stamp, they get no food. Them body fat. So them broke down the wall and then try to broke it through. And me I tell you, so the boys storm them pussy there like a hurricane. Like when Gilbert he come to Jamaica. Them not no sense, some of them forget play. Man, fuck them and run them and have them like a idiot and tell them all kind of shit. See this boy turn off my light? This boy turn off my light, boy. Why this boy wanna have with me, man? This boy, my light. Why this boy wicked so, man? You know how to fucking bother me, man. I'm not making no trouble, man. Pass the chair, man. Me take a little bit more of the cup. Cause I don't need that the cup full. It's insulting in the cup so full. I'm not miserable. Go and suck my penis.
I'm not sugar, you know.
Suck my penis. What you buy for me? Alright, open it for me.
You can open something for yourself?
I can open it.
I go for the fucking buy the stove for you. I go buy breakfast this morning. You forced me to go buy lunch. When I think you was gonna get. When I think you was gonna get.
What do you mean you buy breakfast for this morning? I mean I buy you nothing.
I say
you bought me breakfast and you bought me dinner.
I said you forced me to buy lunch. I thought you was gonna pick up something for me.
I forced you to buy lunch?
Yes, when I thought you was gonna pick up something for me, you forced me to say go and you.
I love you, baby. Stop it.
And you can me.
Me not can you buy me lunch, you buy me dinner, you buy me juice now, right? Did your cocky spit juice? Did you come?
I don't know if my cocky spit juice and come. That's the command.
I want to know if your cocky spit juice. You give me food and juice. Your cocky must spit some sweet juice.
Juice for free. Now because I buy
yes, cocky spit juice for free. It's spit juice.
Free. It's a hand spitting juice.
I get juice now. You get juice earlier. What's the problem? You still get.
We ain't talking about that. It's not about that.
The cocky getting juice. So let me drink the juice, please.
Cocky and pussy and cocky and pussy.
Whatever. Your cocky get juice.
Cocky and pussy.
You know my pussy good. Shut up. You know my pussy sweet, yo.
Everything got to be about that.
Pussy sweet, you go ahead. Oh, what kind of juice is you give me? Lord Jesus, I want to say, boy, give me for drink, no way. I want to say, give me for kill me. Turkey Hill, Blast, Cherry, I want the pomegranate, Turkey Hill. What the fuck is Turkey Hill? Me about freaking turkey, roast turkey or baked turkey. What the fuck you want to do with turkey? I never eat turkey. Y'all give me turkey drink, Turkey Hill. Are the company name Turkey Hill? Fuck is this? No, baby. I don't like this. I'm sorry. You see me take my milk, my cherry syrup, and mix with the milk. I call it cherry malt. And yes, you want a cup, I mix your cup. And I supposed to drink in the milk to fatten my butt, to make my body jar them fat. And you drinking the milk. After me drink the first cup, you're drinking the second cup, and then you give me Turkey Hill. Take this blood clot turkey body or Turkey Hill drink, and pass the cherry malt, give me the milk. And milk want to fatten my body here. You drink this, pass the cup of milk, give me here. Take this back. I don't want it here. Give me back my milk. Fat my body jar, them, I don't bother with it. I can't afford silicone and injection to make my body jar them milk. Pass my milk, make me drink my milk with my cherry syrup. Me look at my cherry pipe, my body look good. Pass it, give me. Give me a little bit out tight, because I can't take the taste like
Well,
it.
man, you give me the thing.
I not take it back. I not cuss you over it. Mr. Pass it, me get a sip out tight.
Leave it.
What you mean leave it? My mouth taste bad the juice, the juice you give me. You say you stay? Alright. I know what you do, you know. Your cocky not shine. Cocky like dim like when car light dead. No man, the juice cannot taste. It tastes like Sour Patch Kids. You do it taste like Sour Patch Kid for real.